Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this simple gun, very simple and basic gun. I am going to model this gun in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using. This was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This was the reference I was using, and this is our model. The texture is little bit missing here. You can add texture, noise texture here, and also noise texture here to look it more realistic. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.